Bluey woke up feeling worried. A thick fog covered the backyard. Could something strange be hiding inside? Bingo ran over. She whispered nervously, "What's happening?" Bluey frowned. "Let's find out." Dad called from the porch. "Be careful." Mom appeared holding a lantern. Bluey nodded determinedly. They stepped into the fog. The grass felt damp. Trees loomed like shadows. Bluey's heart pounded with excitement. Could this be an adventure or a test? Suddenly, a glowing path appeared. Bluey gasped. Was it calling them? Bingo stepped forward cautiously. The path shimmered mysteriously. Bluey followed, her paws barely touching the wet ground. Could they discover what lies ahead? Dad and Mom stayed close. "Keep together," Dad shouted. Mom held Bingo's paw tightly. Bluey took a deep breath. They reached a sparkling pond. The water shimmered like stars. Bluey leaned closer. A magical fish jumped from the water. Could it be friendly? The fish glowed and whispered, "Follow me." Bluey's eyes widened. Could they really understand a magical fish? Bingo clapped her paws. They followed the fish. It led them to a hidden cave. Glittering crystals surrounded the entrance. Bluey gasped with wonder. Inside, the cave sparkled with rainbow lights. Strange shadows danced on the walls. Bluey felt a thrill. Could this place be magical? Suddenly, a small creature appeared. It had wings like glass, eyes sparkling with curiosity. Bluey whispered hello. Could this be their guide? They explored carefully, climbing over rocks, discovering hidden tunnels. Laughter echoing softly through the cave. As the sun began to set, they returned home through the fog. The backyard looked normal again. Bluey smiled. What a magical adventure! Bingo hugged Bluey tightly. Thank you for letting me join. Bluey wagged her tail joyfully. And you? Yes, you. If you loved this adventure, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you so much for watching.